Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Nasal Aspirators is probably one of the most essential tools for parents navigating the challenges of baby congestion. From colds to allergies, little ones often struggle to breathe comfortably, and as a parent, you want to provide immediate relief. In this video, we'll explore the top nasal aspirators, comparing their features, ease of use, and effectiveness to help you choose the best one for your baby. Number 5. GROWNSY Electric Baby Nasal Aspirator. Introducing the GROWNSY Electric Nasal Aspirator, designed for quick and effective mucus removal. It features adjustable suction levels for customized comfort, clearing both dry and sticky mucus. This is a must-have for every new parent. Engineered by pediatric ENTs, this aspirator offers a unique anti-backflow technology. It includes 3 food-grade silicone tips, ensuring gentleness and comfort for your newborn. It's an essential emergency care device for every home. This aspirator comes with light and music functions to distract your baby, making the cleaning process more enjoyable. The ultra-quiet motor ensures a fuss-free experience. Your baby will love this efficient nose cleaning routine. This booger sucker for baby has a larger suction chamber, offering enhanced efficiency and hygiene. It reduces the frequency of emptying and maintains consistent suction power. Say goodbye to traditional methods. This rechargeable nasal aspirator offers up to 30 days of use per charge with its USB-C system. Its lightweight design and included storage case make it perfect for travel. The detachable chamber is easy to clean with warm, soapy water. What we like? This electric nasal aspirator offers adjustable suction levels, ensuring you can customize the comfort for your baby. It also features soothing music and light to distract your little one during the process. If you are looking for a device that combines effectiveness with a calming experience, this is the perfect choice. It is also rechargeable and portable, so you can use it anytime, anywhere. What people say. It has 3 suction levels. It lights up and it plays Twinkle Twinkle, or ABCs. They both have the same rhythm. Very easy to clean and keep clean. Number 4. Frida Baby Breathefrida Nose Wipes. These wipes are made with chamomile, aloe, eucalyptus, and vitamin E. They are designed to help your baby breathe easy and feel comfortable. These wipes can be used on your baby's nose, chest, and even their feet. They are designed to care for your baby's skin. With menthol and eucalyptus, these wipes offer maximum comfort during cold and flu season. They are hypoallergenic and free of alcohol. The resealable packaging makes these wipes perfect for use anytime, anywhere. Keep them handy at home, in the car, or while traveling. These wipes can also be used in place of a chest balm. Each pack contains 30 wipes, ready to provide relief for your little one. What we like? These wipes are made with soothing ingredients like chamomile and aloe, providing gentle relief for your baby's nose and chest. They are also 3-in-1, designed for multiple uses. If you like a convenient and versatile solution for congestion relief, these wipes are ideal. They are also alcohol-free, ensuring they are gentle on your baby's delicate skin. What people say. The Breathefrida is a must-have for any parent. It's easy to use and clean. This product is a lifesaver when your little one is congested. Number 3. Frida Baby Breathe Easy Kit. This kit includes 3 essentials to help your baby breathe easy. It's designed to soothe and comfort your little one during sick days. These products are a must-have for any parent. These wipes contain chamomile, aloe, eucalyptus, and vitamin E. They help your baby breathe easy and can be used instead of a chest balm. They are gentle and effective for your baby's sensitive skin. The Breathefrida Vapor Rub is a no-mess chest balm. It's made with natural eucalyptus and lavender essential oils. This balm is perfect for soothing your baby. Add the Breathefrida Vapor Drops to bath water or a diffuser. These drops contain organic eucalyptus essential oil. They provide comfort during sick days. This kit is a baby registry must-have and a great baby shower gift. It's a thoughtful gift for any parent in need. Give the gift of comfort and easy breathing. What we like? This kit includes essential items like vapor wipes, a chest rub, and vapor drops to help soothe your baby during a sick day. The chest rub is made with natural eucalyptus and lavender essential oils. If you are looking for a comprehensive solution to ease your baby's congestion, this kit is a great option. It provides multiple ways to offer comfort and relief. What people say. The drops alone supported congestion very well. Not only using a humidifier but putting drops into a warm bath was very helpful. The vapor stick is easy to use and apply to an infant without a mess or a struggle. The vapor stick is easy to apply and has a pleasant scent, while the wipes are soothing and effective. Number 2. Boogie Micromist Saline Inhaler. This innovative inhaler is designed to provide relief from congestion and discomfort. It delivers a gentle mist of natural saline to soothe and moisturize the upper respiratory tract. The fine mist penetrates deep into nasal passages, offering comprehensive coverage. Unlike standard nasal sprays, it targets the entire upper respiratory tract for effective relief. It's portable and ready to use anytime, anywhere. No batteries or charging are needed. The mask and nozzle are easy to clean and can be reused. This product is pediatrician recommended and extra gentle for children and infants. It offers a safe and effective solution for respiratory relief in young children. It's drug-free and made with 0.9% isotonic, natural saline, the same as found in the human body. This ensures a safe and gentle treatment. This product provides over an hour of continuous mist. The top twists to turn it on and off, allowing for multiple uses. The mask is washable and reusable. What we like. This Micromist Saline Inhaler is designed to provide gentle relief for congestion and discomfort. It is pediatrician recommended and offers a long-lasting mist. If you have a child who needs a gentle and effective way to relieve congestion, this inhaler is a great choice. It's easy to use and provides continuous relief. What people say. The Boogie Micromist Saline Inhaler has been a lifesaver during cold and allergy season. My little one tends to get congested easily, and this mist is so gentle yet incredibly effective. It's easy to use, doesn't have any strong scent, and works quickly to loosen mucus and make breathing easier. A must if you have a newborn during the winter. My baby loved the fine mist and I loved that it made using the nose sucker easier. Number 1. GROWNSY Baby Nasal Aspirator. This nasal aspirator offers 3 adjustable suction modes. You can choose the best one for your baby's needs. For stubborn boogers, use saline spray first. It features a unique anti-backflow design and soft silicone tips. This ensures a safe and gentle experience for your little one. The tips are made of food-grade silicone. Designed with your baby's comfort in mind, it includes an LED screen and music. This helps soothe your baby during use and can even help them sleep better. The aspirator is rechargeable and portable, providing 120 minutes of use on a full charge. This makes it convenient for use anytime, anywhere. Remember, it won't work while charging. The package includes 3 reusable nasal suction tips of different sizes. They are made of food-grade PP material, ensuring they're safe and gentle for your baby's delicate nose. What we like. This nasal aspirator offers 3 modes of suction to cater to different needs. It features an anti-backflow design for safety and comes with easy-to-clean components. If you are looking for a safe, customizable, and easy-to-maintain solution for your baby's congestion, this is a great option. It provides peace of mind with its thoughtful design. What people say. The suction power is adjustable, which is great depending on how stuffed up your baby is, and it really does a great job clearing out mucus. The lights and music is a nice distraction, and usually he screams when the nose Frida approaches. This one he looks at in awe, and then screams once he realizes what is happening. I used this and it helped clear her mucus and helped her breath, which genuinely felt like such a lifesaver. It's a simple device which doesn't cost hundreds of dollars. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.